Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad bin Hazani and this is my team member.
My name is Muhammad bin MEM160.
Hi, my name is J4CEEM1103C bin Waza.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Usman.
And hi, my name is Muhammad bin Mafari.
Okay, so welding is a process that combine material together for making many structure like this. Okay, so however welding involve heat, high temperature, sparking or smoke that can be dangerous for us. So that safety and sustainability is so important for us to follow for our healthy. Okay, the objective of our case study is to understand and apply safe welding procedure. Number 2, to identify safety and sustainability practice in this welding workshop. Number 3, to promote awareness of environmental care and energy saving. And lastly, to encourage responsible and safe behavior during welding work.
Today, in this video, I will introduce your proper equipment or proper basic things when you enter the workshop. So, this is first thing when you need to wear when you enter the workshop. You need to wear the proper jacket and proper pants. Also, safety shoes is very important. So, second, you need to make sure that you can see the fire extinguisher clearly near to your workshop before you enter this. And the first, the main thing that you need to make sure is you can see the first aid kit clearly when you enter this, because this is the most important thing. When you have a minor or major injury, you need to use this.
What happened here? Oh, my hand, the spark hit my hand.
So next, for the issues, we got some problem in this workshop. First, we got, of course, the machine is too old here, so the weld is not always good. So we need to repeat and redo many times to get a better result. So of course, it waste our time to do it.
What? Why you just I don't want to use that. Oh, God, it is uncomfortable for me. Comfortable? Yes.
So number 2 is student always not wear a PPE properly because they feel hard and uncomfortable in this welding workshop. The third one is there is a lot of metal that waste because leftover metal is not reused properly. The last one is the film extraction is not very strong, so the air inside the workshop is not very healthy for students.
In the welding workshop, there are common safety issues that can occur. This includes welding fumes and gases, poor ventilation, fire hazards, and unsafe equipment. In this section, I will explain some safety and sustainability solutions based on Factories and Machinery Act 1967, Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, and the ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. To solve this problem, first we can install a good ventilation and exhaust system, as well as do a regular maintenance on the welding machine. This follows the Factories and Machinery Act 1967 that requires all machinery to be safe, well maintained and used in a clean and ventilated environment. Next, we must make sure all workers use the correct personal protective equipment PPE, such as helmets, aprons, gloves, and safety shoes. Also, we need to prepare fire safety equipment like fire extinguisher or sand buckets. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, employers must provide safe workplace and control risks such as burns and fire accidents. This helps protect students and staff while working with high heat and sparks. Finally, under the ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, all waste material such as metal scraps and used electrodes should be managed properly through recycling and safe disposal. This improves sustainability and keeps the environment safe. By following these standards, we can make the welding workshop safer, cleaner, and more sustainable for everyone.
So now we go to the last part in this presentation. As you can see here, that this part explains the conflicts between cost, safety, and environment. So the first one is new machine versus old machine. So first, new welding machines are safer and use less electricity, but they are more expensive. So the balance is buy once, save more later. So even though it's expensive, but you can make sure that equipment is safer. The second one is PPE rules. So PPE keeps everyone safe, but of course it feels hot, so some students don't wear it. The balance is to still make PPE compulsory, but improve ventilation so people feel more comfortable. And the third one, scrap metal separation. So separating scrap metal is good for recycling, but it takes extra effort. So the balance is using label bins to make it faster. And lastly, the fume extractor keeps the air clean, but it uses more electricity. So the balance is using one that only turns on when welding is happening. So overall, we try to choose options that are not just cheap, but benefit safety and the environment in the long run. Moreover, some solutions are safer but cost more, like new welding machines. Some protect safety but feel uncomfortable, like PPE. Some help environment but take effort, like scrap separation. So we balance everything by choosing what is safer and more useful long term, not just because that cost is cheap.
In conclusion, safety and sustainability are very important goals to ensure productive and responsible learning environment. We can see that from our analysis, we can see that both students and staff play a very important role. Students must follow safety procedures, use the correct tools, and report any unsafe condition immediately. For the staff member, on the other hand, are responsible to monitoring safety, giving proper guidance and promoting sustainable practices such as saving energy and reducing waste. Alright, together we can create a culture of safety and sustainability that support improvement in the workshop. Alright, thank you. That's all from us. Bye bye.